Okay, you're still scrolling. Okay, this is the People versus Tremaine Fry, calling case D8071441. One kind of operating while visibly impaired today set for a review. Appearance.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Fry.
Mr. Fry, can you state your name for the record, please?
Tremaine Fry.
Okay, Mr. Fry has paid his balance, and he has completed the majority of his responsibilities, so I'm going to close this matter out. So you're all set, Mr. Fry.
Your Honor.
You have anything to say, Mr. Fry?
I'm off probation now.
You are off probation.
Probation now, right?
You're off probation.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, bye.
Bye. Neil Johnson, go ahead and unmute your phone. This is the People versus Neil Edward Johnson, calling case T441413, driver while license not valid on proper license. Appearance.
Your Honor, good morning. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Johnson. At this time, he's going to avail himself of the recommendation.
Okay. Mr. Johnson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki, your attorney, in private today?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Or that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to July 29th, 2015, around 3 o'clock p.m. in the area of Washburn and Florence in the city of Detroit, where you operating a 2010 Chevy red vehicle without a valid license.
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Johnson, did you post a bond?
Yes.
Okay, I will apply your bond to your reinstatement fee, and have the balance returned to you. I will also zero, I'm not gonna charge you anything for your fine today. It's typically $240. I'll zero that out for you, okay?
Okay. Thanks a lot. Appreciate that.
You're welcome. You have a good day. Mary
Hello?
Johnson?
Excuse me.
Oh, yes, you have a question?
Yes. How long did that take to clear? So I can
Good
go
question.
for my life.
48 hours. Give us 48 hours because we have to apply your bond to the Secretary of State fees.
Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
I'm good.
People versus Mary Johnson, calling case 451128, one kind of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mary Johnson. She's going to avail herself of the recommendation.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, can you state your name, please?
Mary Johnson.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Soroki in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, I'd like to bring your attention to April 7th, 2018, around 7:50 a.m. in the city of Detroit. Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive your, what year was that vehicle?
I don't remember. It wasn't actually mine.
Was it registered with your name?
Yes.
Okay, that makes it yours. So it was a Chevy green vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, so Ms. Johnson, I will accept your guilty plea and adopt the recommendation for a 3-month delay sentence. I'll change that to a 1-month delay sentence, which means that after 1 month, if you don't pick up any traffic offenses or any other cases, this will be dismissed from your record, okay?
Yes.
You have any questions?
Do I have to come back to Michigan for anything, or I should receive something in the mail?
You don't have to come back for anything, Commissioner.
Oh.
You can check on our website to confirm what happened today.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Salvador Juarez Hernandez.
Your Honor,
Yes, I'm here.
Pauline Soroka, behalf of Mr. Hernandez. I don't know if you want to call the numbers first. I'm sorry.
It's okay, 427-046, no operator's license on person and driving an uninsured motor vehicle.
Your Honor, Mr. Hernandez has presented a valid driver's license, which he just recently obtained, and also that was not his vehicle, so I would move that both matters be dismissed.
Well, congratulations on getting your license. Start there.
Thank you.
So I will dismiss both counts without prejudice, so you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Thanks. Okay. Kimberly Jackson.
Present.
Okay. Case is P-10556.
Yes, ma'am.
I need you to, I'm in the middle of calling your case. 1 second, just stay quiet for a moment. P-1055624, the people versus Kimberly Jackson, no insurance. And P-1055421, obstructed vision. Appearance?
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, behalf of Ms. Kimberly Jackson, she wishes to avail herself of the recommendation.
Okay, Ms. Jackson, can you state your name for the record now?
Kimberly Jackson.
Okay, can you also raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Sabree today in private about your case?
I'm sorry.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private today about your case?
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Oh.
Did anybody threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
I'm sorry it broke up.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
I'm sorry.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am, I am. Yes, Your Honor.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'd like to bring your attention to January 12th, 2020, around 11:30 a.m. in the area of Joy and Long Acre in the city of Detroit. Were you driving an uninsured 2008 Buick black vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, satisfied, Ms. Soroki?
Your Honor, satisfied.
Okay, I will amend the charge to the 0-point offense of improper plates and dismiss the remaining count. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Jackson, I'm going to waive your fines and costs due to the pandemic, so you have a zero balance with the court, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No, I do not.
You have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thanks. Cletus Jones?
Yes, Your Honor.
File case 495173, count 1, unregistered motor vehicle, count 2, uninsured motor vehicle. Apparent?
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Mr. Jones, at this time he wishes to avail himself of the recommendation.
Okay, Mr. Jones, can you state your full name for the record?
Cletus Jones.
And can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
I didn't hear you.
No,
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
I am.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
I am.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
I do.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, you want to continue and plead guilty.
I do.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to December 13th, 2018, around 10:15 p.m. in the area of Toledo and West Grand Boulevard in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 1996 Lincoln tan vehicle without insurance?
Yes.
You satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept your guilty plea, Mr. Jones. I will amend the charge to the 0-point offense of improper plate and dismiss the remaining count. Is there stipulation of probable cause?
Okay. I also have a question.
1 second, Mr. Jones. Is there stipulation of probable cause?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Okay, and Mr. Jones, I'm zeroing out your balance, so you don't have to pay anything today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And what's your question?
It was a bond paid.
Okay, how much?
And what was the bond? It was $460.
Okay, so I will apply your bond to your reinstatement fees. That's $45 a count, and I will have the balance returned to you in the mail. Are you still on West Grand Boulevard?
Yes, I'm on West Grand Boulevard.
Okay, so the balance will be returned to you in the mail, okay?
Your Honor,
Yes.
that bond was paid by someone else.
Oh, the bail bondsman?
It was paid by my cousin. She paid it.
Okay, well. Okay, Mr. Jones, so that makes things a little more complicated. So we've been doing everything remotely. You actually have to bring your cousin down to the courthouse. There are certain exceptions that allow people into the courthouse, and this is one of them. So bring your cousin down with you to sign off to say that it's okay for the bond to be released, okay?
All right.
That makes sense?
Yes, makes sense.
Okay, so
And
if you get to the courthouse and they tell you can't come in, tell them that you were told to come here to address a bond issue.
Okay. All
You
right.
have another question?
Yeah, the other question is, how do I retrieve the results of today?
So you will get the results in the mail, but you don't have to wait for the mail. You can go onto our website, 36districtcourt.org. You don't have to write it down. You can literally put it in Google and it'll be the first link that pops up. 36 District Court, it'll be the first link. You go on there and you put in search for a case. You just gotta navigate a little bit, find your name, put your name in, and it'll show you the results of the case.
Okay, thank you much.
You are welcome.
I appreciate
Have a good day.
it. You too.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Tamika Johnson?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Calling cases SP 1096426. The People versus Tamika Johnson, count 1, improperly displayed plate, dirty obscured plate, no proof of insurance, no receipt of registration, and SP 1096427, no operator's license on person. Appearance.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant. At this time, my client wishes to avail herself of the recommendation.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, can you state your full name for the record?
Tamika Monique Johnson.
And the offer here is for you to plead to 1 count. You can put your hand down. I don't even have to walk you through it.
Okay.
Since it's a civil infraction, I don't have to swear you in and ask you a whole bunch of questions. So is it correct you're gonna plead responsible to an improperly displayed, dirty, or obscured plate?
Yes.
Okay, and the rest of the counts will be dismissed as a result of your responsible plea, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Okay, and Ms. Johnson, just as I've been doing with everyone else, I am going to waive your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything for the count you pled responsible to, okay?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
You don't have to pay anything today.
Thank you. I am so happy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a good rest of your day.
You do the same. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay, Artina Johnson,
Yes. Hello?
Yep. I'm getting ready to call your matter. Calling case 440-847, the people versus Artesian Johnson. Count 1, unregistered motor. Count 2, driver transporting open and toxic in a motor vehicle. Appearance.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of the defendant, I did discuss these matters with my client. She wishes to avail herself of the recommendation.
Can you state your full name for the record, please?
Artesian Johnson.
And since we are just on audio, do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Soroka today in private about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to July 4th, 2019, around 1:45 p.m. in the area of Orange Lawn and Stout in the city of Detroit, where you operating an unregistered 2014 black Dodge vehicle.
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will amend the charge to improper plates. Ms. Johnson, and dismiss the remaining count with their stipulation of probable cause.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Ms. Johnson, did you post a bond?
Yes.
How much?
240.
Okay, I'll apply that to your reinstatement fees, and the balance will be returned to you in the mail, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Once that goes through, will I be able to go get my license reinstated?
That depends on what else you've been doing in other cities, I don't know. If you don't have any other, infractions in other cities, and it's just Detroit, then you
Yes,
should be able
just that one.
wait about 48 hours so that this, so that the clerk can have time to process your bond that needs to be applied to your reinstatement fees. And then you can check with the Secretary of State to see if there's anything else.
Okay.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, have a good day. We need a Darren Jewel. And ma'am, what's your name? You just checked in with the champion t-shirt on?
Tequila Jordan.
Tequila Jordan. Good morning.
Good morning.
So it's the last name.
I see Darren Jewel on the first page at the bottom, and then Tequila Jordan the last one. Yeah, okay. Now let's do Miss Jakia Jackson.
Yes.
Okay, this is the people versus Jakia Jackson. Calling case is 363-955. No operator's license on person, X2040236. No operator's license. Count 2, careless driving. Count 3, open intoxicant in the vehicle as a driver. X2040236. It's a duplicate. P977346. Driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, driving while license suspended. And 323452, driving while license suspended. Appearance.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of the defendant, I did discuss these matters with my client. She wishes to avail herself of the recommendation.
Okay. Can you state your name for the record, Ms. Jackson?
Jakia Jackson.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Sabree today about your case in private?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to March 14th, 2019, around 5:59 p.m. in the area of St. Alban and Alfred in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2007 Chevy black vehicle.
Yes.
You stopped by Detroit Police Department officer.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
You stopped by Detroit Police Department officer.
Yes.
At that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will amend the charge to failure to display and dismiss the remaining counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
So stipulated.
Okay, I will dismiss them. I dismissed them already. All of these together. Okay, so Ms. Jackson, I'm going to just go ahead and zero out your balance and waive your fines and costs, okay?
Okay, and what about my bond?
I just waived your fines and costs. No, I haven't had anyone say thank you for that today, really. I'm wondering.
Thank you. And I have another question. So, how long after that would I be able to get my license?
I don't know. You have to check with the Secretary of State.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Welcome. So Ms. Tequila Jordan's in the breakout room. Her offers for failure to display.
Okay. I saw that hop on here, but I didn't really thought we were still in the hearing.
I was trying to multitask.